This video is going to be a comparison of store-bought beef jerky and making your own beef jerky. I purchased this package of beef jerky today at Walmart, paid $3.98 for a 2.85 ounces. So let's just say I paid $4 for 3 ounces. Then I purchased this London broil steak at Walmart today. I paid $12.81 for 2 pounds, 2.02 pounds. We'll call it $13 for 2 pounds. Then I purchased this teriyaki sauce, $1.84. I'll probably use about half of that today. I'm going to get this beef jerky cooked up, and then we will weigh the store-bought beef jerky, and we're going to weigh the jerky that I made and do some calculations and see how much more beef jerky we can get if we make our own. Okay, I've got my marinade here that I made. I diluted the teriyaki sauce because as the beef jerky cooks down, the flavors condense. It gets really salty if you don't dilute it. So I just diluted the teriyaki with water. I added a pretty good amount of honey to it, a little bit of garlic and some cayenne pepper. I'm making some sweet and spicy beef jerky. And now I'm just going to put that beef in there. I'll seal it up and I'll put it in the refrigerator for about an hour. I'll shake it up. I don't know, every 10-15 minutes I'll give it a good shake. Okay, I finished my beef jerky. You can see tons of videos on YouTube about how to make beef jerky. I made this in the oven at 170 degrees for about 4 hours. Okay, I'm going to do the weigh test now and some calculations, and we'll see what kind of savings we have if we make our own beef jerky. I don't know if you can see this, but with the plastic cup on the scale, the plastic cup weighs exactly 1 ounce. So we'll have to deduct 1 ounce from our weights of the beef jerky. This is our store-bought beef jerky, and the scale's showing 4 ounces on here. We have to deduct an ounce for the plastic cup. Okay, here's our homemade beef jerky. I'm going to come down here, and the scale is reading almost 14 ounces. Actually, it's reading 14 ounces, so we're going to take an ounce off of that. We've got 13 ounces of homemade beef jerky, and I actually ate about probably 6 pieces, but we're still going to call it 13 ounces. So the finished weight is 13 ounces of homemade beef jerky. Okay, let's do the calculation. We had 13 ounces of homemade beef jerky. We're going to divide that by the 3 ounces of the new beef jerky per bag, divided by 3. So we would get 4.33 bags of beef jerky out of our homemade batch. Okay, so now we're going to take the cost of our ingredients and we're going to divide it by the amount of bags, which is 4.33. So we had $13 for our beef, and then we had $1, we'll call it 85 for our teriyaki. So we had $14.85 in ingredients, and then we'll divide it by the 4.33 bags that we get out of it. So each bag costs us $3, and we'll round it off to 43 cents. Okay, store-bought beef jerky, $4 a bag. Homemade jerky, $3.43 a bag. Total savings, 57 cents, which is equivalent to about 14%. Here are a couple of benefits to making your own beef jerky. It's healthier. It doesn't have the preservatives in it that the store-bought beef jerky has. And it's a lot of fun to experiment with different flavors. If we factored in electricity and time, it's just like a total wash. You're really not saving anything by making your own beef jerky unless you get the beef at a lot better price than what I did. But anyway, this was a fun video to make.